how to turn on or turn off block offensive words on Gboard, Google Keyboard on Samsung S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on General Management. After click on General Management, click on Keyboard. After click on Keyboard and click on Gboard. After click on Gboard and click on Correction and Suggestion. After click on Correction and Suggestion, scroll down and you will see offensive words is here. If you want to turn off block offensive words, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, block offensive words is turn off. If you want to turn on block offensive words, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, block offensive words is turn on. You will turn on or turn off block offensive words from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off block offensive words on Gboard, Google Keyboard on Samsung S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.